Ravi's Cuisine fans. Today I'm going to share my potato au gratin recipe with you guys. Let's go over the ingredients. I have my garlic powder, complete seasoning powder, some salt, some Parmesan cheese, some evaporated milk. I have my Mexican fort cheese, my shredded Spam, my chopped onions, green and red peppers, some 1 cup of flour, and my potato. I already peeled my potato, and I want to show you exactly how to slice the potato for this recipe. So you're just gonna slice it in small pieces. This is how it looks, and I put it in some water. I put it in some salt water, okay? And I also have my butter. All right, let's get cooking. First, we are going to melt the butter. Next, we're gonna add the flour little by little. And make sure you stir it up. Now we are going to add the evaporated milk. Let's go ahead and add some spices, some complete seasoning powder, some garlic powder, let's mix everything. Go ahead and add our chopped onions, green and red peppers. We also have our shredded Spam. Let's mix everything. Go ahead and add your Parmesan cheese. Mix it. You can also go ahead and taste it. I think it's perfect. I don't need to add any more ingredients on mine. I am good. So now I'm gonna add the potato. I have my buttered recipient. I have my mixture. So all I have to do is put it together. Now I'm just gonna spread my cheese on top. Don't forget to add some slices of butter on top. I've decided to taste the potato gratin for you guys. Let me try it. Really nice, really cheesy. The crust is delicious. Sorry, I'm eating the whole thing. Mm. This is delicious. It's an easy recipe. It is so delicious. So let me know, try this recipe and let me know how you like it. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you next time on another episode of Robbie's Cuisine. Thank you guys. Love you.